walking tall. Some days I got no use for it all. Working hard, making less. Some days are bad, bad at best. Foolish notions, foolish lies. I set to thinking I could make something of me, playing every game except the lottery.
Welcome to Daniel's Diary.
Hi guys! So ngayon, gagawa tayo ng envelope. So, customized envelope siya, money envelope. So, ang file ko guys ay readily na available. So, nilayout ko siya sa Canva and kailangan mo siya talagang sukatin and mag-sample testing ka muna dahil may times na hindi siya nagsisenter. So, for me, iyan yung layout ko para ma-center ko siya. So, then, download na natin siya. And, pag na-download na siya, guys, ito na siya. Then, print na natin siya. So, tips lang, guys. Pag mga nagpiprint kayo ng iba-ibang size, kasi pag pinlane nyo siya, na paper type, is mabilis ang takbo niya sa printer and may possibility na gumalaw siya or kumbaga tumabingi upon printing. So, mas maganda na ang gamitin yung setting ay plain paper with the quality of high. Hindi naman yan ganun guys katagal. Mas okay yan kesa sa madadamage yung envelope nyo upon printing. Then, i-landscape nyo lang siya guys. And, yung kanyang page size is yung envelope, depende sa size ng envelope nyo. So, ako envelope number 10. Then, landscape. Then, ang setting ko ay plain paper high. So, let's go na guys. Mag-print na tayo. Then, paano nga ba guys maglagay ng paper sa printer? So, kung ito ang printer nyo guys, at ito ang inyong envelope, so ang paglagay natin guys ay naka-portrait kasi mahirap siyang i-shoot pag naka-landscape. So, at least makikita nyo yung dulo ng envelope nyo pag nag-portrait kayo na setting. So, yung pakpak niya guys, dapat nasa right side, yung pakpak or yung bukasan ng envelope, dapat nasa right side. Then, dapat nakatalikod siya guys pag nilagay nyo yung envelope. And, naka-portrait. Then, another pa guys is dapat naka-flat ng maayos yung inyong envelope kasi para hindi mahirapan yung printer na kainin yung paper. Kasi minsan yung mga envelope guys is medyo hindi siya naka-flat ng maayos and nagkakos ng jam yun at error upon printing. Yan siya guys. Sakto lang siya sa gitna at ito ang ating envelope. So dapat tama ang lagay ng papel para hindi magka-error or hindi mamali ang tatamaan ng print.
Hanging on, walking tall. Some days I got no use for it all. Working hard, making less. Some days are bad, bad at best. Foolish notions, foolish lies. I set to thinking I could make something of me, playing every game except the lottery, serving everybody else and told myself I'm free. Misery is a showy state of bad company. Foolish notions, foolish lies, foolish notions. They cut me down, down to size. You came along and lifted me up. The going got tough, but the tough got some love. Foolish notions, foolish lies, foolish notions that made me wanna cry.